Hello everyone, my name is Jared, and today I will be showing you how to install R and RStudio on Mac OS. First, we're going to want to download both R and RStudio. I will provide these links in the description. Let's first download R by visiting this website. This will take us to the download page for R. Since we're on Mac OS, we're going to click Download R for Mac OS X. And then we will want to click on R-4.0.2, which is the most recent version of R. Once we click it, it should start to download. After it is done downloading, we will open it. This will open the installation wizard. I'm just going to accept all default values and installation locations. It's going to ask for your password. This will take a minute or two. Great. Once we get to this page, we know that we have successfully installed R. Now we need to download RStudio. So we will visit this second link, which will be in the description as well. This will take us to the download page for RStudio. We will scroll down and select RStudio Desktop with the open source license, and it should be free. We'll click this download button and then click the download RStudio for Mac. We will allow downloads, and it will take a minute or two to download. Once it has downloaded, we can open it up. We will be presented with this screen. All we need to do is click RStudio once and drag it into the applications folder. It will then copy it over. And that should be everything. Let's look for RStudio in our applications. Here it is. We have both R and RStudio. Let's open RStudio up and verify that everything is working. We're going to open it because we trust R and the creators of RStudio. Looks like we have successfully loaded. You can choose to send crash reports if you would like. Everything looks good. We will run the demo command to verify that everything is working. There we go. We have successfully installed both R and RStudio. Thank you very much and have a great day.